Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying out every shelf, upright, and bracket so nothing surprises you mid-assembly. Once done, sort bolts, nuts, and washers into small trays and keep a 1/2 socket and 10 mm wrench nearby to save time. You should work on a flat, padded surface to prevent scratches. This also stabilizes parts while you align holes. Begin by pairing each upright with its matching feet, and hand thread the first bolts just enough to hold components in place. You attach feet to uprights next, hand tightening bolts so you can still shift alignment. This prevents cross-threading later. Then slide shelf brackets onto uprights at the desired incremental heights, working top-down so the frame remains stable as you add weight. Once all shelves are positioned, place each shelf onto its brackets, check front-to-back alignment, and use a spirit level to verify verticals. Make final torque in a diagonal pattern across the rack. To distribute stress evenly, you finish by tightening every bolt to the recommended torque, taking care not to over-torque stainless steel, which can gall or deform. Once done, inspect seam gaps and level each shelf. Make small adjustments and consider anti-slip pads or adhesive washers to stop micro-movement. Load the rack gradually, testing with incremental weight up to the intended capacity. This confirms stability and prevents sudden failure. If wobble persists, recheck upright alignment and swap any bent parts. That single check usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.